Hanap yun, ha? So next we'd like to call on Tito John.
John.
John. For best costume ever!
No, they say something first, right? Ano sabi? What do they say first?
Good evening to everyone.
No, what do they say first?
Nung nalaman kong Vic ang
Hanap sa abs! Woo!
hindi na ako nag-effort. Wala kasi maisip eh. Anyway, for Clarice, always stay cool and be happy. Happy 21st birthday. May effort.
Hanap sa abs, oh.
Best in costume, most definitely. Okay, so next I'd like to call on Jericho.
Jericho? How come there's a sweetness there when you call his name like Jericho?
Oh, where's the shoes? No, I don't
Kakanta na yan.
sing.
Tula na lang, tula.
No. Kuya, I got your shoes because you texted me the other day you're part of the 21. So I went to the mall earlier and got this.
Earlier.
It's so charming and I got you this. Ang kulit lang, I'll show you. Tita Jack, sabi mo, nagpa-customize ka, di ba? Ako din. Papakita ko sa inyo. Wait. Pina-customize ko ba to?
Ganon.
They're just so cute. They're like Hello Kitty. I think you, parang i-represents yung personality ni Kwa. She's very adorable and charming and very colorful. Masiyahin kasi siya eh. And Kwa, thank you for being a good friend as well to your family.
Iiyak
Thank
na
you for your
yan.
friendship.
Iiyak na yan.
Tapos, I'm not only your friend, I'm your fan. Yeah, I'm your fan. I'm like because I seen her play, she's really good talaga. So, after the game, right away, nagpa-picture ako sa kanya. Remember that picture? Yes, you do. Yeah, so, I just wish you a good health. So, if you need a friend, someone to talk to, I'm just here for you. Just one text away, one call away, I'll be here for you. Okay? Stay in school, say no to drugs. That's it.
Nice. Very well. Okay.
High school nandun eh.
Okay, next we'd like to call on Miss Nina.
Yay!
Yossi Pamol.
Eto, iinom to, iinom.
21 shots eh. 21 shots, promise. No, happy birthday, Kwa. You're still good. My message is I want you to be always comfortable and just like the shoes that I bought, I want you to be always comfortable and that your feet stay on the ground and so that you can always get what you want.
Yay! Wow! Pa-sweet, ha?
Sweet lang.
Nakikisabay yung mga aso, grabe.
Okay, we'll just let Clarice open her gift.
Wow!
Show nice.
Hi, Soso! Hey, Soso!
What are you doing here?
What is going on here, Soso?
A 30-year-old dog.
Okay, so next we'd like to call on Tita Beth.
Tita Beth.
Tita Beth.
Oh, Mr. Pardo! Yay! Andun yata, Mr. Pardo, you know?
Where's my gift?
Skechers, yung ba yun?
Happy birthday, Kwa.
I've seen you grow up from a little girl na medyo bratty pa yung sinasama ni Alvin sa practice. And now she became a beautiful lady. So we wish you all the best, Tita Beth and I. And we're always here for you and your family. Kahit sino sa inyo, sabi ko nga kay Cindy, I'm not an Alvin fan, I'm a Patrimonio family fan. Birthday, all the best.
Thank you.
Kami na rin po, patrimonyo fan na rin. Little Alvin. Sir, kami na rin. Hindi lang Alvin fan.
Yay! Thank you. Hindi mo pa nakita. We wanna see the shoe.
Last but not the least daw. Ayaw pumayag.
Wow. Okay.
Okay, so I'm the last one.
No, Rosalind, there's one more after you.
Oh, there's
Yeah.
one more. Okay, so after me, there's one more. My gift is for you. It's not trainers, it's wedges, boots, or some sort of thing, high heels. In the short time that we have known each other, we've had so much fun. Dressed up, been so stylish. So the time that I had to buy, I hope you like it.
Pure Foods.
Wow.
Solid Alvin.
So I just pass it on.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow,
And
that's
it's pink on the
nice.
bottom because I know how crazy it gets when it comes to night out. So the final one would be
Tinawag kami sa Binumala.
the
Alvin Patrimonio.
Alvin Patrimonio fans. So I'm not very familiar with the name. I haven't been getting any list, so it's just gonna be paso paso with the mic, okay?
All right, go.
I like that. Basa-basa.
Pass with the mic.
I know some Tagalog.
I mean, I'm not representative.
Hoy, punta na kayo dun. Binya! Akyat na kayo dun. Bilis, may game pa yung Pure Foods bukas, oh.
We are the Solid Alvin.
For how many years now?
23 years.
Grabe.
Hindi pa pinapanganak si
Clarice.
Clarice, nandito na kami kay Alvin.
Wala pang mga anak yung mga yan. Tumanda na kay Alvin.
Kaya nandyan pa rin kami. Pero singles.
Pwera lang yung isa. Ito, malapit na. Tall, dark and darker. Mga gusto niyan eh.
Ang wish namin sa'yo, yung sana maging matagumpay ka sa lahat ng sa tennis mo, ganyan. At kahit anong klaseng sapatos ang isuot mo, alam namin na nasa tamang landas ang iyong tatahakin. Yes. Happy birthday.
Oh, grabe. Ang lalim naman yun.
Happy birthday.
Spell nga,
we
spell.
love you.
Tatahakin. Red. Hindi ba pwede red na red? Bakit si Marlene walang speech?
Iyak ako eh.
Si Jack is gonna sing now.
Round of applause, please.
Oh, sige,